the top of the roof just caved, slapped in on me and my 3 kids and my grandson. My daughter is pregnant. She's 5 months pregnant, so she was laying on the side of the bed where the roof was coming in, and it fell on her. But I was able to pull her out of it.
It's just really sad, you know, but it is what it is, and we make the best of it.
Folks, thanks for being here. I don't think anybody can deny the impact of the climate crisis anymore. Just look around. Historic floods. More intense droughts. Extreme heat, significant wildfires have caused significant damage like we've never seen before.